Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we will know how to make slice effect in Adobe Illustrator. So let's start. First I will type any word with capital letters like sliced, and with shift button I can increase the size like this. Choose a bold font like this one. Now create outlines and make a rectangle like this. Decrease the opacity and I can rotate my word like this. Now select your text and rectangle, and with shape builder tool and alt button delete this part and this one. Now make all parts one shape like this, and also lower parts. Now I will select all upper parts and make opacity 100 and make group, and now I will make background. Choose gradient and choose any two colors like this one. And make it like this. Now send it back. Select my text, choose white color and select upper shapes and move it right like this. Now select it again and choose gradient, choose white and black, like this. Now with gradient tool I will make first ungroup and make component shape path, and now choose gradient tool and make it like this. Can adjust it like this to make shadow effect, and I finished.
That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.